How to log into Affin Bank account. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily log into Affin Bank account. So let's just jump right in. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser on your PC or your phone. Go to the search bar and simply search for Affin Bank login. Now you'll see this link affinalways.com. Just go ahead and click on it. And you'll get to the homepage of this page. But before we go any further, I want you to head down below to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more contents like this. You'll find the login button at the top right corner. Simply click on it, and you will be taken to this page where you have an option to choose what type of account you want to log into. So if you want to log into your personal account, just go ahead and click on Personal. You'll be redirected into the login portal here. All you have to do is enter your username that's connected to your bank account and then click on login. And if this is the first time you're trying to log in, just click on first time login. And here you're just going to have to enter your password. Just go ahead and click on this is the secured word image. Click on this checkbox, and from here you can just enter your password. In case you've forgotten your password, you can click on this forgot password button right here to recover it. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically log into your Affin Bank online. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.